What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-enroll ng ATM card sa online account nyo sa SSS. Pero bago lahat, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga bagong upload natin. So yun guys, ina-advise na nga tayo ni SSS na kailangan na daw natin mag-enroll or kailangan na natin maglagay ng bank account number sa ating online account. Kasi halos lahat na magiging transaction natin kay SSS ay magiging through online na. At lahat na makukuha natin benepisyo kay SSS ay ipapasok niya dito sa ating in-enroll na bank account number. Kung wala kayong computer, pwede rin yung mga smartphone ninyo. First step, mag-open lang kayo ng browser. Kahit anong browser pwede. Let's say gamitin natin tong Google Chrome. Sa search bar ng Google Chrome, i-type natin ang www.sss.gov.ph. At makikita nyo itong login interface ng SSS website. Then ilagay mo lang ang iyong user ID at password. Then click submit. Tapos pag na-encounter nyo ito, nagpapapalit lang siya ng password. Ganyan talaga ang lilitaw pag nagpa-reset kayo ng password sa mga SSS branch. At kung ayaw nyong palitan yung current password ninyo, i-click nyo lang itong SSS login para may skip nyo itong part na ito. Pagkatapos, ma-forward kayo dito sa homepage ng online account ninyo. Second step, i-update muna natin yung mailing address at cellphone number mo para maging updated din tayo kung sakaling mayroong notification si SSS sa atin. Punta tayo dito sa members profile, then i-click mo itong update contact info. Then i-click mo itong maliit na box sa gilid at ilagay mo yung updated na cellphone number mo. Next naman is itong sa mailing address. Check nyo lang uli yung maliit na box sa gilid, then i-input mo yung full address ninyo or kung saan address mo siya gusto maipadala ni SSS, yung mga ipapadala sa iyo like mga cheque or sulat niya kung meron. Third step, i-enroll na natin ang ating ATM card. Punta tayo dito sa e-services, then click bank enrollment. Then dito sa select bank, hanapin nyo lang yung pangalan ng bangko na ilalagay ninyo. So sa akin ay Union Bank of the Philippines. Then i-click lang natin siya. Next, ilagay nyo lang yung bank account number ng ATM card nyo na makikita sa ibaba ng pangalan mo sa ATM card. Ito ang sample. At dito sa confirm account number ay same lang. I-type nyo lang siya ulit. Pagkatapos, i-click mo lang itong maliit na box dito sa I agree. Then, click mo itong enroll savings account. Once na nakita mo na siya dito sa ibaba, means encoded na or na-enroll mo na yung ATM card mo. What if nagkamali ka ng pag-i-input? Pwede mo siyang i-deactivate, i-click mo lang itong deactivate na button. At dyan na nagtatapos tong video na to. Sana naman na nakatulong sa inyo. At kung nagustuhan mo itong video, hinihikay kita mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga bagong upload natin. Thank you!
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you